What are the ingredients in the ASEA Energy product? Why were they actually chosen? And how are they going to benefit you? That is the goal of this video. We're going to dive deep into these ingredients and help you understand exactly what it means for you, and so you can be very aware of what you're putting into your body. We are going to visit with Hunter Dean. He did a great interview the other day where he got into the ingredients that are in this product, and he dove into detail on each and every one of them and how they support not just with energy, but also with athletic performance. There's a lot of benefits with this. This is an incredible product. ASEA wanted to take it to the next level so people actually have a safe, healthy, natural option to support them with energy, to support them with pre-workout. So with that, I'm going to hand it directly over to Hunter now so you can dive in.
So as we dig into the ingredients here, I think people are going to be surprised to find there's actually some really cool athletic benefits to some of these ingredients as well. It's not just about giving you like 200 milligrams of caffeine and you're just wired. Again, very smart formula. So over to you. Pick out, 3 or 4 of your favorite ingredients here, why they were included, and what people can expect from this.
Yeah, I'm really glad that you pointed out the athletic performance aspect of this product. So, energy drinks, they're a dime a dozen. Everybody makes an energy drink. You can go to your gas station and you can find your favorite brand of canned caffeine, right? But what we're looking for in this product is much more than just simply a caffeine boost. There are long-term health benefits to the ingredients in this product. A couple of ingredients here that I want to point out. Peak ATP is very literally an ATP delivery system to your cells. It increases the level of ATP in the cells. ATP is that cellular energy, right? So your cells are very literally being energized by this product. The next one that's great is beetroot extract, right? Nitric oxide is an important signaling molecule for the cardiovascular system. It helps oxygenate the muscles, helps circulation, and improves cardiovascular health. Beta-Alanine is a really cool ingredient as well. The beta-alanine works as a buffer to prevent lactic acid buildup during intense exercise and can increase endurance and performance by fighting off that lactic acid buildup. And so there's some real performance aspects of this as well. Before I go to the gym, I always drink this product because it's not just an energy drink. It really is a full suite functional beverage to enhance performance on the athletic performance side of the house as well. Perhaps my favorite ingredient in this product is the L-Theanine. So, Alan, you and I have talked a lot about energy drinks over the last little bit. And you know that I'm pretty sensitive to stimulants. I'm pretty sensitive to caffeine. I already have a lot of energy, and so I generally don't need a whole lot of help, or I get a little anxious. What I love about this product is that it contains L-Theanine. L-Theanine is used in clinical applications to help patients with anxiety. It helps promote this feeling of calm, just a calm, cool, relaxed attitude and mood. And that helps to work synergistically with the stimulants, the guarana and the caffeine within the energy product to prevent those jitters. So those of you that are really sensitive to energy type products, I urge you to give this a try because that L-theanine really helps to balance out that energy feeling. Alan, you referred to it as a smooth energy. I think that's a great way to explain it. And that smooth energy is coming from that L-theanine combo.
Yeah. I've been working all day. I mean, and I hit about 4 o'clock this afternoon, and I was hitting that wall. I could just feel it. And I thought, what do I need to do here? Do I need to go jump in the swimming pool? Because I was out of our energy. We just got these, and I'm waiting for my delivery to come in. I'm thinking, what do I do? I need to clear my hand. What? And my swimming pool's not cold enough at the minute to wake me up because I'm in Texas. And I'm rummaging around, and in one of my bags, I find actually 2 more stick packs. So I actually have 1 more left. I found 2, and I had one. And Hunter, I can't believe it. I went from just absolutely dragging that mid-afternoon drag to within less than 5 minutes. It was like I was clear. I was back. I was performing again. It just was this amazing lift. and just no jitters whatsoever, no nervousness, no anxious, no heart palpitations, just this really clear head. And I was back in business again. Absolutely love it. Just love this formula.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. It's really cool to see a product that's as clean as this, work as fast as it does, and last for as long as it does. It's really I think going to change the game for a lot of people as far as how much caffeine they even need to consume in a day because it is so effective.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. And what a great alternative. And I'm not going to mention any name brands here because we don't want to get sued. But I think people can know which brands we're talking about. As you said, caffeine in a can. Uh, some of those drinks are nasty. I mean, just nasty, toxic, chemical laden drinks. And here we are with this beautiful, clean, smooth, healthy formula. Anything else you want to say before we move on to Mind?
Try it. Get some. You'll love it.
Right.
Tastes great.
Not only energy, but gym as well. Athletes are going to love it. What
Yeah.
was that? That was the beetroot. It gives you the pump in the gym. And then the
Yep.
beta-alanine, keeping that lactic acid level low, which of course is really improved for athletic performance and endurance and recovery. Super, super important.
Well, I hope that got you excited and a little bit more educated on what is in this product so you know what you're putting into your body and what you can expect. So if you're ready to get started with it, you can head to my website and you will see this in the ASEA Performance section. All right, this is the orange colored product. It is maybe a little yellow. It is the energy one. That's the one we've been talking about and what you can get started with. If you'd like to get a discount, you can get 10% off your first order. Just use my code Danielle at checkout. If you want to message me and see if there's any other promotions happening right now, or if you have questions about what other products you might want to utilize to reach your health goals, ASEA is an incredible global company that supports with cellular health. All of their products are held to a very high standard, and I'm happy to give you a consultation about that. So just message me, it's me behind the scenes, and we can talk about that. Now, if you're a current customer of mine, you can also use your Redox Rewards points to try these products for free. That is the benefit of being on subscription. It's a great thing. And if you are outside of the United States, these products are available. So if you don't see them initially on the website, just reach out to me. I can explain to you how to get them. They're in the category of not for resale, NFR. And so there is one more step for you to be able to find them. It's not going to be right there on the main page, but I can guide you through that. Just reach out to me. I look forward to helping you, and I'll see you on the other side.